Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna take a couple of trades and I will try to explain every single trade I take as always. Okay, so we're creating this outside bar. Let's see, this is a major and minor. Okay, this is major uptrend, but if you look at this as a minor trend, all right, it has been supported by this trend line. If I zoom in, you see this minor downtrend. Okay, so it's potentially a pullback to the upside, and then again we will drop. So we are in this ranging market. Okay, let's see, I will take a buy trade here. Let's go. I will take a buy trade here. I'm not expecting a closed candle as a retracement because the rejection right here is a little too much. If we are closing up there with this amount of rejection, the next candle would be a formed retracement, but this one is just gonna be a shadow retracement. Like it's gonna be a shadow as a retracement, then again go up, as you can see. Okay, all right, so yeah, we didn't create a higher high really, but we have the same buyers on the previous candle. This is not a new buyer's entry in this trend unless we push up and close above. But yeah, there's not a lot of new buyers. I hope they don't reject. Okay, all right, that was a winning trade. Let's just move on. Let me add a couple of pairs. All right, yeah, this is a red green pattern. This is clearly a red green pattern. This is a major like prior uptrend, but now it's in a ranging market. It's not a very clear market. Look at this, bro. This is I don't know, this is amazing to take marginal safety trade. Oh, there was a guy asking about marginal safety and he was like, okay, what is the marginal safety? Look at this. I will take a trade right here. Just okay, I take it right here. This is a trade with marginal safety. Okay, this is a buy trade with marginal safety. It's called marginal safety because it's gonna give you this much of a space as safety area, that the next candle, if this is a green, like if even as this candle is a red one and you have this buy down here under this retracement point, all right, this is called marginal safety. You're taking this amount of safety place as a margin to take your trade. Okay, that's the best definition I can give you. It's basically when you have a sell trade and you wait for the candle to come up and then you enter your trade up here, and then again it rejects and close down here. It's called taking your trade with marginal safety instead of like immediate entry. Okay, for example, if I buy here, it's called taking the buy trade with marginal safety. It means that I'm expecting a green candle, but I'm entering with marginal safety because I'm not sure about this trade. This is the definition of taking your trade with marginal safety. Okay, and it's best to take your marginal safety when we have like candles with long wicks, just like here. There's a lot of candles with long wicks, so normally you should consider the next candle as a candle with long wicks. For example, here I will take my trade right here with marginal safety because this is a common rejection point. Let's check the other page first to see if there's all right, I basically missed this one. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, this would be the entry. Okay, I would enter right here and then it would reject and go up. Since this is a small range market, I'm expecting a green candle here. I'm not saying I'm expecting green because I already see the green, okay, because this is a morning, like evening star, and evening star it can give us retracement. Okay, you see that it gave us the continuation sign but it didn't give us the retracement. The retracement was just in a shadow, okay? It retraced like this and then closed down here. It shows me the seller's strength, okay? So basically we missed this marginal safety trade looking at the other pairs, okay? All right, yo. I'm not sure if this trade was takeable because this is a Marbozu candle. If there was any sort of rejection from the upper or lower side, I would take this as a buy trade, but for now it's risky. And why? The reason why I would take this as a buy trade, the old guys, the older students right here would say that this is a doji disrespect trade, but this is a Marbozu candle, also sign of reversal, so you cannot trust this one. But if we had a little bit of shadow just like this one, it would show us the buyer's confidence and it would go up. And also we have the supply area, so that's why I didn't trust this one. All right. I didn't take this because we have this gap down and there's a high chance of buyers push and close below this round number, so I didn't trust this. I don't know why I see a lot of weird situations today. Yeah, but it worked. Okay, no problem, man. You cannot guarantee that. So when you see this gap down, yeah, there we go. Yeah, again gap down. So normally we should expect the sellers, but since we have gap down, it's a little risky. It can go to the moon right now, right? But I'm gonna have to take a, let's see. Okay, I will take a marginal safety trade right here. If it goes to the yellow line. Okay, let's enter right here. But this is the movement. This is the moment that the market's gonna decide if it's gonna break to the upside with the very strong candle, or it's just gonna drop down to create this third touch of this trend line. Okay, this is the decision point of the market. Okay, it decide. Oh my god, I didn't. All right, you see, this is called marginal safety trade. Even if this candle comes in close like this, my entry is super safe because it's at the common rejection point 1, 2, 3, and this is the first rejection point. All right, this is a marginal safety trade. But if I was taking my trade immediately, like after this candle close, just like here, we would lose this trade. Okay, because we have this gap down again. Oh, look at this. After this candle close, we have this gap up instead of gap down. So it's showing me that the buyer's momentum wanted sellers to enter. Okay, when we have gap up here, it means that the seller is gonna finally enter, right? And they are getting rejected from this QM level. Okay, if you want to take a trade, you should take your trade under this QM level, right? Right, hold on. Right, this is a very good place to have a 2-minute trade, because you see this, like if you look at this as in the bigger scale, this is somewhere that the buyers has been entered a couple of times. All right, and now we see some dojis and decisions, like this is indecision candle, and then we have buyers hammer closing above this round number. I want to add one more trade, but I'm not sure if that's a good decision. Let me see. This is the next support. All right. Okay, I want to add this trade right here and see what happens. This is a risky one, guys. Since we have the support down here, it can come down and then go up. Like this. This is the area that the buyers has been entered. Yeah, I hope we don't lose this. Damn. Okay, seems as we're gonna lose this trade. No problem, we're gonna make it up real quick. Okay, it will kind of, I feel like it's gonna reject the last seconds. Alright, one of them was a winning trade and another one is a losing trade. I will take, oh my god, my entry is so bad. Come down a little bit, please. No. No problem. Okay, yes. Let's go. Alright. So I go with the buyers. I see a lot of buyers entry, but you know, the only thing that I'm worried about is this gap up right here, but I hope they can refuse that. You know, hold on a second. If the price was gonna drop, that would drop on this candle, but it didn't drop, so I'm expecting buyers to eventually enter. And this area is an opportunity to put one more trade, but we haven't the chance. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Thank God. Okay. Okay, nice one. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and you learned what the marginal safety is, because I had seen like a couple of people asking lately. So I hope it clears your doubts. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for your crazy support. We're growing super freaking fast and I really appreciate that. And make sure you join the Telegram channel because the mentorship is going to announce there. So thank you for watching, everybody. Peace out.